Hi folks, hope you've been keeping up with all our stories. If you've missed any, you can watch them on YouTube at the links below. I wonder where everyone is today. Psst, psst. Oh, hi Streaker, what are you doing up there? Shh. Okay, but what's going on? Do you see Chunky anywhere? Your older brother, Chunky? No, he's not here. Oh, good. I can come down now. What's going on, Streaker? Why are you so scared? I don't like playing with him anymore. But why, Streaker? He's very rough and hurts me sometimes. And he says cruel things like I'm weak and useless. Oh, Streaker, maybe he's just trying to be playful or funny. Just teasing you, maybe. Hi, Miss Mai. Hi, kids. I heard you talking. No, Chika, teasing wouldn't harm anybody, either physically or mentally or with words. Remember, teasing is when both people find it funny and amusing or friendly and playful. But when teasing becomes hurtful and unkind and continues, it crosses the line into bullying and needs to be stopped. But Miss Mai, I'm not sure I understand. Bullying is being mean and unkind on purpose. It happens when someone keeps up with rough behavior like shoving or hitting, even when they know that you don't like it, especially since they're bigger or stronger. Or they keep saying cruel things or mocking or name calling, knowing that it upsets you. It's not right. Even scaring you by jumping out from behind bushes. You get anxious about walking in the locality and that affects you mentally too. Also, convincing other kids to ignore you or send you hateful letters and SMSs. That too can be considered bullying. But who are these bullies? Why are they so mean? Chika, they do it so you are scared of them. And they do it to make themselves feel strong and tough. The thing to remember is they actually feel weak and therefore they need to prove that they are big and strong. Chunky is being bullied by his older cousin, Butch. So when he's with Butch, Chunky feels small and weak. So then Chunky needs to feel strong and brave and important. So he bullies Streaker. But that's no excuse. But what can Streaker do? There are some things that Streaker can do if he's alone or sometimes with the help of a friend like you. What he should not do is try to fight back. It can quickly become violent and someone could get injured. Instead, it's best to walk away from the situation, hang out with others and tell an adult. Also, Streaker, when you think you might meet with the bully, make sure you have someone with you so that you are not alone. Buddy up with a friend whenever the bully is around or you know he is going to be nearby. I know Chika is your friend and will come to help you if she sees you being confronted by Chunky or Butch. But if you do come face to face with the bully, firmly and clearly tell the bully to stop. Then walk away. Try to ignore the hurtful remarks. By ignoring the bully, you're showing that you don't care. Eventually, the bully will probably get bored with trying to bother you. And you must talk to someone you trust, like a friend. Tell them all about it. They may offer some helpful suggestions. Even if they can't fix the situation, it may help you feel a little less alone. But most important, teachers, parents, friends can all help stop bullying. Tell an adult. And if you see someone being bullied, even if you don't know that person, do go up to them and ask, "Are you okay?" Let the bully know someone cares. Kids, bullying can happen anywhere. At home, at school, in the playground. You should realize when it's playful teasing and when it's bullying. If it's continuous and hurtful, you know it's bullying. Talk to someone about it. Are you okay? 3 simple words, and they can make a person feel they have a friend and can make a big difference. So folks, I did learn a lot today. I know it's very unlikely, but I hope you are not behaving like a bully without realizing it. You might think you are being funny or playful. Does the other person think so too? Or are they hurting and can't tell you that they don't like what you're doing? Can you think of a situation where a bully was being mean and unkind? And if you did anything? I know it's very natural to ignore someone being bullied. I did it because I was scared and didn't want to get hurt, so I ignored it. I realized later that I should have called an adult to stop it, or even told an adult later. Do you feel more confident that you can deal with such stressful situations if you are being bullied or you see someone being bullied? I think it's very important we share our experiences so we can learn how to react. Shall we discuss it next time?